Let's break down four major AI coding tools this 2025. Continue, Cursor, Cline, and GitHub Copilot to help you decide which one fits your needs. Continue is an open source IDE agnostic assistant that integrates with VS Code and JetBrains. It supports any large language model, open source, commercial, or local, and is highly customizable. It offers context aware autocomplete, code based chat, and error analysis. Cursor, on the other hand, is a full fledged AI IDE work from VS Code with deeper integration. It includes features like code-based search, smart rewrites, and natural language prompts. Its composer mode handles tasks to end, everything from writing code to bug fixes and commit messages. It includes a privacy mode with no remote code storage. Cline is an open source VS Code extension. It supports multiple LLMs and focuses on transparency and self-hosting. It explains its action before executing them, allowing for a human approval workflow. GitHub Copilot is a widely used AI pair programmer, natively supported in VS Code, JetBrains, and NeoVim. It supports several LLMs and offers strong code completion features with about 50% accuracy on first try. Hopefully, this review helps you find your ideal AI coding tool, and that's it. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.